Today, while addressing the nation, our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji emphasized on the use of homemade mask. Let us quickly learn how to make a mask using a handkerchief and 2 rubber bands in just 2 minutes. Step 1. Clean the surface of the table using any alcohol-based sanitizer. Step 2. Sanitize your hands with a sanitizer or wash your hands with soap and water properly. Step 3. Take a handkerchief and spread it on the sanitized table. Step 4. You need to fold the cloth in the shown manner. Similarly, make another round of folds. Now, take the rubber bands and adjust the rubber bands onto the cloth in the shown manner. The mask is ready to use. Wear it and press it close to the face. Adjust the mask in such a manner that no space remains exposed. Try to avoid touching front side of the mask while removing it. After the use, ensure to sanitize your hands or wash your hands properly. Thanks. Stay at home, stay safe.